So today we're gonna learn how we make a Moroccan hot mint tea. Step number 1, heat the pot for a little bit. Step number 2, drop the tea grains. It's empty and you just leave it warm up. Yes. Steam. And now listen. Yes. Smells amazing. And you add some hot water on top. During that time we're washing some mint leaves freshly cut from the garden. Yum yum. More. Okay, ومن and then? And now the secrets. It's all secrets here. You crush them so that it enhances the flavor. You put yum yum yum. Saturday night Moroccan whiskey. And now sugar. Oh my gosh. Look, 1 2 نشوف شحال كبيرة هذيك الطوبة؟ Oh 3.
Ça dépend de la quantité de l'eau.
It depends on how much sugar you want to put into it. And you add some more. ما طيب هذا? You add some more water. This is a secret technique. Very few tea masters know how to do it. I know it surprised you with the eating teapot before. It's all about the dose. Donc what's the dose? شحال أتاي يديروا؟ To each his hand, so you have to try. You have to try. But he put like about this much, I would say, right?
2 cuillères.
Two
Spoons.
2 spoons.
Soup
Excellent.
spoons.
Soup spoons. Okay, 2 soup spoons. It's getting ready. Up, 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 up. And he turns it off. Safi, fiti. Safi, that's it.
That's it.
And how much time do we have to leave it here?
On le prend tout de suite.
It's ready to be enjoyed. It's ready to
Si tu
enjoy.
le laisses 5 minutes.
If you let it 5 minutes, it will be even more delicious.
Et après,
And after, up. Oh yes, famous. Ah. Oh. And yes, it's all about the setup too. And guess what? More sugar. And the teas, the Moroccan tea ceremony. What will the Moroccan tea will be without its teacups?
et voilà.
All right.
Merci.
Bravo. Thank you, Sidi Hassan. Thank you. شكرا جزيلا. شكرا.